So I started off in 1985 with my brother. Him and I, with a lawnmower in the back of a small little station wagon, and started doing jobs, specifically one for our neighbor. When we finished the job, multiple people drove by the road and asked us if we had business cards. And that was the launching of a landscape company that now we've been running for the last 40 years. We struggled for a while because I was typically someone who did everything on paper. As we grew, we found the need to be organized. We just found that LMN was a great situation for us. We were completely amazed at the depth that the team went into in sorting out many different facets of LMN.
Deciding to look for a software package such as LMN was more of a necessity as we continued our business growth. We were using some Google Docs and some Excel spreadsheets and stuff like that in the past, but it wasn't something that was sustainable. So the real need for us was to get a package that was able to standardize the estimating process while bringing in all of the other components of it, the CRM, time tracking, the scheduling, all the necessary pieces to have it in a one-stop solution. LMN allowed us to become more accountable for what needs to be done and when it needs to be done.
I think that the customer success team definitely blew me away, and everyone on our team, I think I speak for when I say that. From an organizational standpoint, I think it's really allowed us to connect the dots between the first phone call coming in, origination with a new client, all the way through to the end of a project, sending that final invoice, and really just making sure that our process is streamlined and provides a good experience for our clients on the other end too.
The LMN Crew app has really allowed us to have eyes in more places than we've ever been able to have in the past. Our crew's ability to take photos of job sites, add materials on the fly, add notes, allows us to gather that real-time data and use it to our advantage to be more proactive with our clients and to more accurately job cost at the end of a job. I think the most useful feature of the Crew app for us has to be the ability to enable our crews to play a larger role in the day-to-day operation. An estimate from a user perspective, our guys in the field really like it because they feel that they have a sense of empowerment and they're being held accountable for helping us move the ball forward.
I would say what's so great about the strategic program at LMN is that we work with our clients to figure out what their bottlenecks are. We identify all the pain points that stand in the way of the business scaling. And once we've done that, we build standard operating procedures together based on what we've learned from working with hundreds of contractors. Whether it's in how we're qualifying our leads, how quickly we can get a bid out to the customer, how we track our sales analytics, job costing, procurement, and the list really does go on. Once we figure all these things out and we build out the SOPs and we get everybody on the same page, that's when the orchestra plays and the sky's the limit in terms of where you can scale with your business.